Boys and girls, this lesson we're going to learn to say one syllable and then add another syllable to make a new word. We'll use this mat and some rectangles. Watch me, my turn. The first syllable is foot. So I'll pull down the blue rectangle down to my line where is the word, and we'll say foot. Then, to add the syllable ball to the end, I'll pull down another rectangle after foot. Notice that the second rectangle is yellow because foot and ball are different. But now, when I slide my finger along the line and say the new word, football. You see, since we just have rectangles, we have to keep the picture in our mind, because otherwise we'll forget what our word is. Let me do a couple more and then you'll get a chance to join me. Let me say that my rectangle here is going to be air. I pull it down to the line and I say air. I want to make this rectangle plain so I can make a new word. I'm going to pull down my yellow rectangle and it stands for plane. I have air and plane. And now when I trace my finger along the line, I say airplane. And that makes a new word, airplane. Right? So we're taking smaller words and making them syllables and putting them together. Here's one more to do and then you'll join me. If I say this blue rectangle is the word base, I'll pull it down here and it says base. And now for my last syllable, I want to make this rectangle ball. I'll pull it down, ball. So we have base, we have ball. And now I can trace my finger and we'll say baseball. Our new word is baseball. Ready? I think you're ready to try with me. This time I'll still move the rectangles, but you'll answer with me. Our first syllable is cup. Say that as I pull the blue rectangle down to the line. Cup. Now we'll add our second syllable. That's right here, and that word is cake. Say the word cake as I pull the syllable down. Cake. So we have cup and cake. Let's say the word together. Cupcake. We took two syllables and made a new word. Cupcake. Let's try some more. I think you're getting the hang of it. Here we go. Let's make our first syllable bee. Say that as I pull that down to the line. Bee. Our second syllable will be beehive. Say that with me as I put it down to the line. Hive. So we have bee and hive. Our new word is beehive. Let's try another one. Let's move this up. This is going to be class. My first syllable is class. Say the word class as I move this down. Class. And this syllable will be room. Say room. Now say it as I move it down to the line. Room. We have class and room. And we've just made a new word that says classroom. You all are in your classroom, most likely, watching this video. Classroom. Let's try another. What about door? Door. We'll say door. Let's pull that down. Door is at the beginning. And then ball. Or bell. Let's do bell. That would make a better word. Bell. So this word will be bell. Let's pull it down. Bell. We have door, bell. And the new word is doorbell. Very good. Let's try another. Let's try something, actually this is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to move this syllable down and we'll say that the word is ball. But now I want to add the word base to the beginning of my word. So this was ball, and I'm going to move this down, and it says base. So my new word is baseball. It's important to see whether we add it to the beginning or the end. Let me try a few more where we add it to the end, and then we'll switch them around, okay? So here is, let's say this is going to be the word drop. Say the word drop. Now say it as I pull it down to the line, drop. We put the word drop here. I want to add the word rain to the beginning of drop. Say that with me, rain. So now we have rain and drop, and our new word is raindrop. Very good. Let's try one more where we're putting the ending down first. Let's make this syllable fish. Say fish. Say fish with me, fish. It's on the line now. I want to add a syllable to the beginning of fish. Ready? Let's add gold. Gold. And this was fish. So my new word is goldfish. Okay, I think you got this. So this time pay close attention whether we're adding it to the beginning or to the end. Okay, here we go. My first word is mail. That'll be right here at the beginning. Say that with me, mail. I want to add this syllable to the end. This syllable will be box. Let's move that down, box. So my new word is, say it before I do. Did you say mailbox? If you did, you got it right. Let's try another. What about, let's make the first syllable sand. Say the word sand as we move it to the line. Sand. Our last syllable will be box. Say that with me, box. So our word is sandbox. Very good. Let's try a few more. Let's start with this. Let's say what our syllable here, it's going to be book. Say the word book. Now I want to add a syllable to the beginning of book. Okay? I think I'll add the word note. Note. Say it with me. Note. So this is note and this is book. My new word is notebook. Very good. Let's try one more. What about make this syllable cut? Say that with me. Cut. We're going to add a syllable to the beginning. Let's say we'll add the syllable hair. Say that word as I move it to the line. Hair. This syllable was cut and we added hair to the beginning. Now our word is haircut. Great job, boys and girls, playing our syllable game.